You can create a shift from a field measurement in the calibration pane. Open the calibration pane, then right-click on the measurement you want to create a shift for. Click on Create New Shift, and the input value of the first shift point is set to the measurement's stage value. The shift value of the first point is the amount that the measurement is from the base rating. The shift start date is set to the measurement's date and time. If you create a new shift without an end date, its shift amount prorates to the start date of the following shift. If no shift follows, then the shift amount remains the same. Be sure to click Save to finish.